If Lucidchart is not working properly in Firefox, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix the error step by step. We'll start with the easiest test first, then move through the most common browser issues that usually cause Lucidchart to fail to load, freeze, or stop responding. These fixes are simple, safe, and you can follow along even if you're not very technical. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps and subscribe for more practical software tutorials just like this one. Now let's jump right in. First, open Firefox and test Lucidchart in a private browsing window. This is one of the best ways to check whether the problem is being caused by your browser extensions, cached files, or a normal profile setting. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and P on your keyboard, and a private window will open. Then, go back to Lucidchart and try signing in or loading your document again. If Lucidchart works in the private window, that usually means the issue is caused by something in your regular browser session, such as an extension or corrupted cache. If it still does not work, that tells you the problem is probably deeper, and you should continue with the next steps. Now let's look at extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, tracking blockers, and VPN add-ons can all interfere with Lucidchart scripts and prevent pages from loading correctly. In Firefox, click the menu button in the top right corner, then choose Add-ons and Themes. From there, open Extensions and temporarily disable anything that might block scripts or cookies. After disabling them, refresh Lucidchart and test it again. If the site starts working after turning off an extension, you've found the cause. You can leave that extension disabled for Lucidchart or turn it back on later and whitelist the site if needed. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, Firefox can store old or corrupted site data, and that can cause loading errors, login problems, or blank screens in Lucidchart. To clear it, click the menu in the top right again, go to History, and select Clear Recent History. Make sure the time range is set to everything. Then check Cache and Cookies and click Clear Now. After that, restart Firefox and try Lucidchart again. If the issue still continues, the next thing to check is a Firefox performance settings. Sometimes graphics, rendering conflicts, or performance options can make web apps like Lucidchart freeze, lag, or fail to display properly. Open Firefox settings, search for performance, and then under performance, uncheck use recommended performance settings. Depending on your system, this can help Firefox handle rendering more smoothly. Once you make that change, reload Lucidchart and see if the problem improves. If Lucidchart loads but the canvas or diagram area still does not render correctly, you may need to toggle WebGL inside Lucidchart. Open your document, click the three horizontal lines in the Lucidchart menu, then look for the View option. Find WebGL and switch it on or off. Then test which setting works better for your browser and system. In some cases, turning WebGL off helps if your graphics hardware is causing the issue, while in other cases, turning it on improves performance. At this point, one of these fixes should usually solve the Lucidchart Firefox error. The key is to test step by step so you can identify whether the issue is caused by a private browsing conflict, an extension, cached data, Firefox performance settings, or a rendering setting inside Lucidchart itself. If the problem is fixed, great, you're back up and running. If not, you may want to update Firefox, restart your computer, or try Lucidchart in another browser just to confirm whether the issue is browser specific. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.